Kathy, myself here monitoring live Doppler 13,000 HD, the Weather Service, and Viper HD. So in Toledo, right now, just a few light rain showers, metro area. Also watching what's going on southwest of Fort Wayne. That's an active warning, but not officially in the viewing area. And that storm doesn't seem to have the same structure as the storm to the north. So we'll be watching that as it does enter this extreme southwest corner of the area. But right now, our main focus is for now Defiance County, and that's moving through the southern part of the county on Viper HD. This is a 1-hour animation of what's been going on. So this warning goes until 6:30 p.m. and that's for the next 5 minutes, but I think Ross hinted at this. Looks like this should be extended, and perhaps will be extended, as it's now moving just about over downtown Defiance and moving northeasterly at 35 miles per hour. The storm has a history of touchdowns and damage, perhaps, back to the west in Indiana, also parts of northern Paulding County, southwestern Defiance County, and basically right now approaching downtown Defiance. Take cover. Get to a basement, get away from windows. This storm is a very dangerous storm. It's not one of those radar indicated situations. This is a tornado, and it is moving toward Defiance at 35 miles per hour. Ben?
And what we want to do, Jay, is take a look at where the very latest is. By the way, to simplify this, we want you to be very safe. If you want to send in pictures and video, I know there's expert storm chasers out there on these storms right now. But if you're a homeowner, if you're in the area right now, be safe. If you can safely get a picture, you can send those to pictures@13abc.com. We also call it to see it, shoot it, send it. And Dave in the control room, if we could take weather too, I want to talk about what this all means. So still a tornado warning. This is a confirmed by spotters, also by radar. Jay talking about kind of the ambulance noise, the different pitches in tone. That's the true Doppler in a Doppler radar, and this is a confirmed tornado as indicated by this bright red color to catch your eye. Also, the area in a tornado watch, this goes through 9 o'clock for tonight. Now, this is issued before any potential tornado can get there to give you as much time to prepare as possible, and conditions are favorable for that. There's what we call this change in direction up in the skies, and this automatically becomes severe weather, Jay, anytime a tornado is confirmed.
Correct. Yes, Ben. All right. As far as live Doppler 13,000 HD showing that active warning, again, does include the eastern half of Defiance County. For the areas near Hicksville, that's the Defiance County Fair, you are now clear of this cell that's moving northeasterly. But folks in Jewel, folks in downtown Defiance, you are now in the path of the storm, tracking really amazingly up 24, basically up and down US 24 and tracking northeasterly at 30 miles per hour. Most likely spot for the actual touchdown area would be near and just west of downtown Defiance. I want to zoom in a little bit here to the city of Defiance. You have a couple streets out west here. As you go west, we have West High Street. We have up here Ashpacher. Excuse the pronunciation, but Ashpacher. We also have 424. We also have 111, and then west of town we have Harding, and we have State Highway 15 going off to the north and west. So if you live in this area, if you live in Defiance, really anywhere, it is time now to take cover. This is a tornado warning, and it goes through 6:30 p.m., but we're expecting that to be extended as we're almost at the bottom half of the hour here. So take cover. And Henry County, not officially in the warning right now, but be prepared if the storm is moving your way.
And this is not the kind of thing that we want to scare people over or hype it up, but just getting a report of at least a couple of homes in parts of Paulding County. Our newsroom working very hard and diligently in the back. Those homes have been damaged. Also, lots of reports in western parts of Defiance County, and we're also watching things down south of this as we get closer to Hancock County, guys, in another cell.
That's correct. It's in Van Wert County, moving northeasterly. So situation, kind of a small area of the country, but just the right ingredients with that extra humidity you felt today to get these things going, lower cloud bases, just that little spin. And this storm has been long-lived, though. This cell that we're tracking now developed north of Fort Wayne, and it moved off to the northeast, and it's now into one of our bigger cities west of I-75, Defiance. So again, that's why we're interrupting news right now on 13 ABC. We're going to stay on the air until the threat of any dangerous weather is done. So right now we're going to stay on the air and stay online streaming on 13abc.com for this tornado warning.
That extra humidity, that extra sunshine today certainly led to some of those ingredients as well. We just got to report in, Jay. This is, again, around the Defiance area where that area of rotation is right now that we're tracking. Large wall cloud and we looked at an unconfirmed picture of what we may be looking at out there. Very large ball cloud, almost like it's hugging the ground. Then you've got a funnel cloud that's been bouncing up and down. A couple reported brief touchdowns in that area. So we're certainly not out of the woods here in Defiance. And the unfortunate thing is that that hook that you see, that area of rotation, now pretty much going right over Defiance. So this is a very concerning thing. Anybody in Defiance in that area needs to be taking shelter immediately. So again, we are awaiting here some new information.
All right, Defiance County Airport, an observer there is seeing a tornado. So if you live near the airport, the observer or the emergency manager has reported that they are confirming that there is a tornado on the ground at this point moving northeasterly, and it's moving now to the east-northeast at 25 miles per hour. So the warning has been extended here. The warning's been extended by quite a bit here, 7:15 now. Again, the tornado warning, which was set to expire here in a matter of seconds, now goes until 7:15 p.m., includes Defiance County, and now does include Henry County. So if we could zoom out just a bit here, go back over to live Doppler 13,000.
Tonight, the race against time, the massive and deadly earthquake. Our team on the scene in Italy, the trapped, the children rescued.